In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a project on Monday.com. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or simply want to declutter your dashboard without losing any important data, archiving is a neat solution. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, head over to Monday.com and log into your account. This will take you to your homepage, which serves as your mission control for navigating through various workspaces, projects, and tasks. Now look to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find your main workspace. Think of this workspace as your virtual office. It's where all your projects live, much like a house, with each project being a room within that house. Next, we need to locate the project you intend to archive. Maybe it's a project you've completed, or perhaps it's one you're setting aside for now. Either way, finding the project is your next step. Go ahead and scroll through the list of projects in your workspace and click on the one you're looking to archive. Once you've selected the project, direct your attention to the three dots icon, usually situated at the top or side of the project dashboard. This icon acts as your gateway to additional options and settings. By clicking on these three dots, you open up a menu filled with different actions you can take. Among these options, you'll find the Archive button. Clicking on Archive is akin to storing a box of old photos in your attic. The project is out of sight, but not gone forever. You're merely moving it out of your active workspace to keep things organized and focus on what's currently in progress. After clicking Archive, your project will no longer appear in your main workspace. But don't worry, it's still accessible. Should you ever need to revisit this project, you can easily retrieve it by filtering for archived items in your workspace settings. Here's a little pro tip. Before archiving a project, it's always a wise move to double-check with your team or review the project's status. While archiving is fantastic for organization, you want to ensure it's not needed for active tasks or collaboration. Archiving a project on Monday.com is that straightforward. You've now decluttered your workspace without losing any of the crucial work you've put into your projects. This helps you and your team focus on what's currently important while preserving past work for future reference. Remember, organizing your digital workspace is just as vital as organizing your physical workspace. It can lead to increased productivity, better teamwork, and a clearer mind. So take advantage of features like archiving to keep your Monday.com workspace streamlined and efficient. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Whether you're a project manager aiming to keep your team's workspace organized or a solo user managing your projects, I hope this video has helped you understand the ins and outs of archiving on Monday.com. If you have any questions or would like more detailed instructions on other features, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more useful tips. Happy organizing!